Welcome in, welcome in. All right, today we're doing one just for fun. Thank you everybody yesterday for watching the Core Plus versus the OG Neo65 video. I received a lot of feedback regarding the background music. So apparently it is much preferred without it and much easier to understand and hear me. So this one's going to have the no music as well. So today, this Neo65 Core Plus, we're running a hot swap PCB, cilantros, and alu, and this is basically, I believe on the site, $150 config. We're going to be running it up against one of the favorite boards in my collection. This is my Forever65. It has been custom reanoded by Prime in Korea to this pink. This board retailed for $600, and I believe it can be found in aftermarket, give or take around $450 to $500 still. So we're going to see how close this guy strikes to it. Everything is identical in terms of config. Both are running cilantros, both are on alu plates, and primarily the major differences you're going to be hearing is the board itself and board design. So let's get started on the back-to-back. So there you go, the $150 Core Plus versus the $600 Forever 65. Honestly, I think the Forever still edges out the Core Plus in sound. It has way more control on the sound. Interestingly enough, I thought today the Core Plus was picking up desk thunk. It wasn't immediately as obvious yesterday versus the OG 65. Probably because they're so similar in character, you won't notice the differences. But once you put it up against a different designer's board, you can actually tell. Like, go back and listen to the sound test. This guy is picking up desk thunk. This guy is well controlled. It could be as something as simple as, more coffee in my mug versus yesterday, different things on my desk, different weight distribution is changing the vibration characteristics on my desk. That just shows how important it is. If you're going to do a proper comparison between switches or boards or whatever, the back-to-back has to be controlled. You have to have the same mic position, the same time of day, same everything when you record it. If you pull yesterday's recording and then splice it together with this, it would not be an accurate back-to-back. Some people might interpret the extra noise coming from this as being more lively, or maybe it's my own personal bias. I will let you be the judge. Let me know in the comments which one sounded better to your ears. Obviously, ignoring the price differential. Once you factor in the price, the value of this guy can't be beat. The amount of quality coming out of this can't be beat for $150. I don't have any immediate plans in the works in terms of sound tests coming up. Let me know in the comments if there are other builds you want to hear with this board. I may do a Zin High on PP sound test, as in the original polling before I received the board, there was considerable interest in Zin High still. Don't get me wrong, Zin Highs are still excellent in 2025. I may do a PP on Sogurt build, as that is my most recent favorite switch on nylon. I've done a lot of coverage of that switch. I still think it's being slept on, so I may try it on this board. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I appreciate all of you and all the feedback that you've been giving me happily. And I will see you in the next one.